Hello, my friend. I will show you how you can install GPT4All locally because I've noticed that there are some outdated documentation and I've spent some time to figure it out, so I will keep this short. All you need to do is to open your terminal and then type in there pip install GPT4All. And previously it was called GPT or something like that. Then it will take some time to download it and to install it. But once it's done, you can copy over this code here that I will also link to the documentation where you just can copy paste this. You can paste it over and then run the Python file with Python 3 and then your name of the script. And then you can see here the output. And if you want to hold the chat conversation, you can use this boilerplate code here. Oops, need also the model, of course. And here you can paste, you can specify what model you want to use, Llama 2 or Orca Mini in this case. Again, and as you can see here, the model is given a prompt template which makes it chatty. And I hope this helps you, and thanks for watching and keep playing around. See you.